Welcome back, beautiful souls. Today is all about the edits, not the credits. First up, the living room. I'll share what stays, what goes, and why. Now, y'all already know everything won't make the cut. So let's get started. Okay, guys, we're in the living room, so I'm just going to give you a quick look at what's going on, and then I explain to you what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to give away and why. Okay, guys, so first up, remove the artwork because I just want to do something different there, guys. And I'm also going to remove the baskets, and I'm just going to put them up for now because I actually want to do start introducing some African art work into my space. I'm also going to be removing the rug, and guys, I love this rug. I purchased this rug at a thrift store in a neighboring town. But I'm going to take it up and I'm going to donate it back to the place that I purchased it from because I really want to lighten the space up. I have so much brown going on in the area. I want to lighten it up and make it look lighter and airier. I'm also going to be tackling my entertainment wall, guys. And I'm actually going to try something out on this wall. You'll have to just wait and see when I get to that point. And I may start working on that today, but I'm going to try something different on this wall. I am going to eliminate the trays. And I'm also thinking about eliminating the TV stand. The coffee table, guys. The coffee table. Number one, it's too big for the space. And number two, it's brown and I am over the brown now, guys. I could paint it, but I think I am just going to see if I can find another one on Facebook Marketplace, a smaller one, and I will donate this one to the thrift store as well. Also, guys, I would love, if I had my own way, guys, I would eliminate all of the furniture. And I would purchase a white L-shaped sectional to fit this space here. I would purchase a sectional that starts right here and it would go all the way around the room and it would end at the arm of this settee. But guys, that's not going to happen because one, if I purchase it, that'll be the easy part, but then I have to hire movers to bring it up my spiral staircase. And I know you guys haven't seen my spiral staircase yet, so I am going to do a video of me coming up my spiral staircase, guys. So at this point, it would really be too much, but if I had my way, I would have an L-shaped sofa in white and a teeny tiny, well, not a teeny tiny coffee table, but a coffee table that would fit the space perfectly. And then with this other stuff like my side tables, I will put them in another area in the apartment. Guys, I am going to be linking a video of actually my very first video of me doing a tour of my apartment. And guys, it has not changed a lot since I think I made my first video last May, so it really hasn't changed a lot, but I'm going to be linking that in the description below. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is I think I'm going to start working on my entertainment wall. So give me a sec so I can put the camera on the tripod. Okay, guys, Roll the Edits Living Room Edition has officially started. I'll be back shortly to bring you up to speed on the things that I've done so far in the space. Guys, in this clip, I'm just trying to find out which will work best. Do I want the consoles to look like one unit, or do I want it to look like two separate pieces? So just bear with me. I will figure it out in a few minutes. Okay, guys, I decided to leave a small gap between the consoles so they would look like two different pieces. Next, I nestled the wicker side table into the corner. Then I added a decorative plate and a flower pot. Hey guys, I am back and the entertainment wall is finished. It has taken me probably about 3 days to complete the project, and my main goal for the space was to eliminate some of the clutter and make it more cohesive, and I think I did a good job of that, guys. The only thing I focused on was basically the entertainment wall, and next week's video will probably be the sofa wall, the coffee table, and the side table. So guys, the entertainment wall has been edited, it's been cleaned, it's been styled, and now it's time for the reveal. Let's do this. Okay guys, here is the entertainment wall. I think it turned out really, really good. So now I'm just gonna take you around and let you see what I did. If you remember, right here in the center, there used to be a brown console right there, and so what I did was I removed the brown console and I pulled the two pieces, the two green consoles well, almost together, not quite, and this is the look that I came up with. And guys, I like this a lot better. It's less clutter and it feels more cohesive. I added a plant in the corner, a decorative plate, I already own this, and a flower pot. I own this as well, and I just took one of my flowers from my patio and placed it on top, guys, and I think that turned out really, really good. Now the lamps, guys, I already owned. They came from a thrift store a few years ago. And in the backpack here, this animal print vase was a gift from a friend. And so I added a couple of books, and I set another plant that I retrieved from my patio. Now guys, this is the item that I purchased, and I purchased it basically to just rest my remote in it. Look how cute this is. I found this at a thrift store, and it was $4, and I said this would go really good with what I'm trying to accomplish with the gallery wall, so I purchased it. On the other side, I added books and a glass bowl, and I've had this from previous years, guys, and that's the mate to the vase on the other side. And guys, if you look all the way up, I added my artwork. Now, I didn't purchase this. I already owned this. And this reminds me of when I was a little girl and I was in the Baptist church. I think the guy's last name, his name is Morrison. I love this, guys. And I think it fits the space. I think it suits the space perfectly. I love all the colors. And you know, the preacher is preaching and the choir is singing and the band is doing their thing and everybody's just having a wonderful time. I love this print because it has movement, energy, and I love it, guys. And I think the entertainment wall was the perfect place to put it. You guys see me in the TV. Okay, let's step back, and over on this end, guys, I added a basket, and it holds my throws. And guys, I know most people take theirs and they roll them, but I just wanted to do something with a little movement, and I definitely wanted you to be able to see the tassels, and I think that turned out really good too. So guys, I'm gonna step back and give you one last look. That is it for this week. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Until next time, chat soon.